Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun by Ria. So guys, today I am going to show you how you can create a quiz with the help of a website known as Quizizz. And it's of course totally free, and you can also play quizzes there, and you can also create your own quiz there. So let's get started without any further delay. So you'll have to search Quiz is what's wrong. Okay, I'll just write down the spelling here, so you will be able to so that you can just it will be better for you also. So this is the spelling Quizzizz. All right, I have this write that down here also. So let's get started. You just have to search this. How you have to click on this. Now I have already logged into it, so the login process is easy. Alright, I don't think so if I can log out, I don't know. So let's check here. Yeah, I'll just log out and again I'll show you. Alright, so if you have any code to enter, then you can just click on the just type the code, and then it will be easier for you. But if you don't have any code, then you will have to sign up. Alright, and I'll continue with Google. Yes, so here you can see a lot of quizzes you can play. Alright, and you can enhance your knowledge, or if you don't want to enhance your knowledge, then you can just search for some quizzes like integers, adjectives, register system, or history. Or if you don't want to play any of the quizzes, then you can create your own quiz. For example, you can either create your quiz, or if you want, you can also create your lesson. Like first you can create your lesson, and based on that you can create your own quiz. So right now I want to create a quiz. Alright, so you'll have to click on that. Now here you can see a lot of things. Now here you can see this these lightning kind of icons. So this means that you have to upgrade for those kind of things. If you want hotspot thing, or you want math response, or drag and drop, or match, or whatever, then you'll have to firstly upgrade, and then you can use these things. Otherwise you can use multiple choice, fill in the blanks, open-ended questions, polls, slides, and you can use this draw thing. Alright, so now let's get started. I want first I want multiple choice, so I can just type my question here. For example, what's wrong? The dash is the longest. Oh my god. Longest river in the. Oh my god. In the world. Okay, don't mind I don't know why my keyboard is so slow. Alright, so now we have to type the options. Like here I'll type Nile, then here I'll type for example Amazon, and here I will type some other alright, this is a way. Alright, now I don't want the fourth option, so I can just click on delete. Alright, now which is the correct option? You have to click on this, like the correct option is Nile, so I'll click here. Alright, now if you want to add an image, then you can click here, and you can search for example Nile. You get a lot of them. Alright, now for example if I choose this one, Now you have to click on insert. You can also crop the image if you want. For example, I just want this much. I can just click here. It's taking time, I don't know why. So here it is. Alright, now if you want to add an option, then you can click here. This is edit question video if you want to edit, and here it's written untitled quiz, so I'll just type out world geography. Alright, now if you want to add any explanation, then you can just type it out. I don't have any explanation, so I'll just type I'll just type the answer is the river. Alright, now whatever explanation you want to add, you can just add it out. And yes, so this is done. Now you have to click here on save. Just click it. Alright, save this question. Now you are done with this question. Alright, now if you wanna add any other question, you have to click on this create a new question. Now here you can see 1 point. If you want 2 points, then you can just click here. The other person who will be the player of this, the player of this quiz will get 2 points for this question. Alright, and if you want it to be less than 30 seconds or more than 30 seconds, then you can change the time limit also. Alright, for example 10 seconds. Alright, now if I want to add any other question, you have to create a new question, and if you want to edit this question, you can just click here edit. Now I'll click on okay here. Now I want fill in the blank. Now here I'll just type the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Alright, now the person will just type the answer here. Okay, the person will type the answer here. You have to add the correct answer here. So actually it's Bacheli Par. This is correct, right? Yes, most probably, yes. Alright, this is the answer. Alright, again if you want to add any answer explanation, you can just click here. Alright, now if you want any image to be here, then you can just click here, and you get a lot of them. For example, this one, alright? And that's it. Now again you have to click on save, and that's it. Now again if you want to change the point or want to change the time limit, you can change it. Now I will show you the last thing, that is draw. Okay, now here you have to for example draw a flower. Now the participant will also need a background, so you have to get either you can choose blank or you can choose image. Alright, so it's better to choose the blank thing. Now students will draw their responses here, and if you want to try this, you can also try. I would like to try it. Like, okay, this is not gonna be, oh my god, this is not gonna be too good one. Okay, okay, that's a leaf. That's it. Alright, don't mind my drawings. Okay, now if you want to change this, you can also change the size of the brush, and let it be like this, and that's done. If you want to erase this, you can just click like this. Okay, never mind. I want to do this. Alright, so that's done. Now if you again want any answer explanation, then you can do that. Now I'll give for example 4 points for this. Alright, now that's done. I'll just change this. random alright, now you can just save this. Now that's it. Okay, now if you want to preview this, you can see this option preview. You can just click here and then you will be able to preview it, and you can change these things. Okay, I will change this. This is not for this is the subject is not English. This is actually, let it be education. Okay, and what grade it is, might be middle school. Alright, and yes, it's in English, and yeah, that's it. Now if you want any image, cover image, then you can just upload it. For example, leave it. Oh my god. Anyways, alright, now let's preview it. Now the dash is the longest river in the world. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. This is the fill in the blank, and then will be the third question. Draw a flower. Okay. Okay, I cannot draw. Anyway, so now you can just save this. Save and continue. And now this is of course visible to everyone, whosoever is there on this Quizizz thing. Alright. Now I'll just click on not now. And that's it. You are done with your quiz. Alright. Now again I want to preview it. I guess now I'll be able to play. I hope so. Alright. Then you can just click on start. This is how it does. She is a chain. Oh my god. Okay. You also get lifetimes, like I got one. Okay. Oh my god. Never mind. Alright, now I have to draw a flower, and I can do that. I am done. Let's go. Story results. Okay, I got 600 points, and now I am on 12th position. Now this is the end. Alright, so that's how you can play a quiz. Alright, now you were able to see a lot of things, like who all were playing. You were able to see the ranks in between, so it was showing you how many people are playing the same quiz. Alright, so that's why I was on the 12th rank. After all, I made the quiz. Still I was on the 12th rank. I don't know why. Anyways, so that's it, and I hope you had lots of fun with me and you learned a new thing. So, and I also hope that you had fun. So that's it for today, and okay, so see you soon. Bye bye guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.